You might look up at the sky and think, clouds are just fluffy puffs of air, right? Well, surprise. Those soft, innocent-looking clouds weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds, literally heavier than a herd of 200 elephants. The average cumulus cloud contains around 500,000 kilograms, that is, 1.1 million pounds of water. If clouds are so heavy, why don't they crash to the ground like a wet sponge from the sky? The answer is physics is magic. Clouds float because their water droplets are super tiny and spread out, making them lighter than the air around them. That million-pound weight is made up of microscopic water droplets, each only about 1/100th of a millimeter wide. If they all got together and decided to drop at once, well, you'd get a massive rainstorm or possibly an instant flood. Even though clouds weigh a ton, literally, the air below them is even denser. It's like a boat floating on water. As long as the cloud stays lighter than the air around it, it keeps drifting happily across the sky. The largest storm clouds can stretch over 100 miles, 160 kilometers wide. That means a single giant cloud can cover entire cities, or if it's particularly moody, drown your weekend barbecue plans. Astronauts on the International Space Station can see massive cloud formations that stretch over continents. Clouds can create some truly fascinating and unusual events. Here are some morning glory clouds, like in Australia. These are rare, tube-shaped rolling clouds that can stretch over 1,000 kilometers and appear mostly over the Gulf of Carpentaria in northern Australia. They look like a rolling wave in the sky and can be predicted with some accuracy. Lenticular clouds and UFO sightings. Lenticular clouds, which form over mountains, often appear as smooth, saucer-shaped structures. Their unusual shape has led to many mistaken UFO sightings, especially in regions with strong atmospheric turbulence. Undulatus asperatus clouds, wavy sky phenomenon. These rare, dramatic cloud formations look like a rough sea in the sky. First officially recognized in 2009, they often appear before storms and create a breathtaking visual effect. Mammatus clouds before storms. Mammatus clouds have pouch-like formations hanging underneath the cloud base, resembling cotton balls. They often appear before severe thunderstorms and can signal turbulent weather conditions. Blood rain from red-tinted clouds. Sometimes clouds pick up fine red dust from deserts like the Sahara, which then falls as red or orange-tinted rain, known as blood rain. This phenomenon has been recorded in Europe, India, and other parts of the world.